Kerala,
Whoa. We got
God's
God's own
own
country.
country. Oh, yes. We're going to get some drone footage of the place that we've already been. If you want to check out our vlogs traveling around Kerala, click that link in the description of the pinned comment below. Trifate Lifestyle is our vlog channel, and we're Kerala in it up.
If you're wondering why we're watching a video if we've already been there, it's because we're not birds and we can't see it from above.
Nope. So today we're going to fly like a bird and see Kerala from the sky. Here we go.
I'm like a bird.
That's probably the best version of that song I've ever heard.
I'm like a bird.
That probably made it like 65% better.
Oh, that's a good ROI.
I know. Here we go.
Oh,
Dang, those mountains. I feel like this is going to be copy collapsed.
Alapusa.
Oh, wow, purple.
Houseboat. Well, there isn't much we've done so far in this.
Beach. They have some crazy roads. We definitely have a lot more to do next time we go to Kerala.
Yeah, we'll be back.
Wow, look at that water. We just stuck our toes in the Kerala pool, you know what I'm saying? We just got our feet wet a little bit and there's so much more. Those mountains are really big. And those roads are very accident prone.
Yeah, does it flood often in Kerala? No, I actually know the answer to that a little bit sometimes. Not in Trivandrum, though.
So green. So dang green.
It's purple. Dang.
That area looks super cool. Except to get to these mountain areas, you have to drive like so many hours. Is this the road we drove on? Like, that was like its own island?
Yeah,
remember-
towards Parkala.
Yeah, I remember him showing us that this was its own island or its peninsula when we were on it. I bet there's a lot of those, though.
Yeah.
That's why it takes so many hours, because the roads are that windy.
A windy mother. It's so crazy seeing how flat parts are and then the crazy mountains. Nature.
Oh, yeah. Is that a mangrove? Can you mang in that mangrove?
I mean, there's no reason to not mang in the mangroves.
That's what I'm saying. We got to jump in there. There's a reason not to do this, probably, because they probably have massive spiders and king cobras. So, I'm not going to do that one. Or a fracking tiger be waiting for you. Coconut guy. Wow. Kerala. Epic place.
Yeah, I mean, it's a very unique place in just the fact that you have the areas that are such lowlands with like the water all throughout, and then there's little splotches of land very slightly above, and then there's just green, 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 and then just super green Munnar mountains.
The world is a beautiful place. So many landscapes, and Kerala is God's own country. He specifically came down, put his flag in Kerala, and said, "This is my own country."
It's a shame that it's not a country.
Dang nabbit. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed. Check out our Kerala vlogs. Link in the description below. You won't be disappointed.
No, they're epic. We're still posting a few of them.
Check it out. See you in the next one. Bye.